Vilma Diaz po, send luxury car for private. Hi, I am Leto. Hi, Sinabu. Shall we follow me back? Nice to meet you. Drop some luxury car for private. After you drop, I end my life. Then let's do private. Waiting for your drop. I don't have number. I will kick you. Just drop some luxury car for private. Ano na, waiting, dami kong viewers, so. Hi, Levikin, nice to meet you, Levikin. Hi, 96.5. Nagabi sa akin private, guys. Hi, Jerky, nice to meet you, Jerky, shall we? Can you drop some gifts, Jerky? I will kiss you if you drop some rose bouquet. Hi, Saturno, nice to meet you. Ay, thank you so much. Love kita. Baka naman love kita. Dagdagan mo pa. Oy, isang rose bouquet naman dyan. Drop some rose bouquet for private, guys. After you drop, we'll do private. Come on. Waiting po sa magda-drop. Just drop some luxury car. Waiting po, pagka-drop nyo, end ko kagad live ko, then let's do private. Ano na? Drop some luxury car for private. Hello boy, nice to meet you, shall we? PKL Daddy, 1K po, luxury car. Send luxury car. Pagka-send mo na luxury car, bigay ko IG ko, then let's do private. Hi, Sajad, I'm waiting for your abate. Where's the luxury car? Just drop some luxury car, guys, or Preta Rain. I will make you happy. Hello, Ping. Hi, Dennis Anohada. Nice to meet you. Can you drop some rose bouquet? Teka, isa-isa lang nagpapalo. Drop some luxury car for private or Preta Rain. Hello, Rick. Hello, Nanchay. Nice to meet you, Nanchay. Shall we? Drop some luxury car for private. Hello, Smith. Shall we? Hey, Rabs. Nice to meet you, Rabs. Hello, Sajad. Nice to meet you. I've been to Boss G. Hello, Ponce. Nice to meet you. Hey, chat me, guys, if you are available. If you drop some luxury car for private, after you drop, I end my life. Then let's do private. Ano, waiting sa mag-aabi? Wala ba magdadrop dyan? Luxury car niya na. Wala ka ko kung may 50k bins ka. Hi, Sajad. Hi, Naruto. Can you follow me back? Nice to meet you, Naruto. Shall we? Where are you from? Have a good day. Hello, Amor Tigro. Hello, Nen. Hello, akin ka na lang. Sana all. Baka naman, Naruto. Drop some luxury car for private. Hi, Bernard. Ano na? Drop some luxury car for private. Waiting.